Margaritaville Resort Orlando is the ultimate resort experience where you can stay your way. Follow me, I'll show you what I mean. Whether you're getting away for a little me time by yourself, a romantic escape to paradise for two, or a relaxing vacation for the whole family, we've got the room for you. All of the rooms have floor-to-ceiling windows, modern amenities, and high-end furnishings. This is our king pool view room. It's got a nice, big, comfy bed, a nice, big, beautiful bathroom, and sliding doors that take you out to a furnished patio or balcony. This room also comes available with 2 queen beds. This is our 1-bedroom king pool view suite. Now the suites come with this gorgeous living room, a pull-out couch, which means this room actually sleeps up to 4 people, a really nice dining area, and of course that big, comfy bed with high-end linens, big bathroom and closet, robes to be all fancy, walk-in shower, and a giant, did I say giant? Giant balcony. Check it out. We also have mobility accessible 1-bedroom suites, as well as 1-bedroom suites with 2 queen beds. Need even more space for the ultimate luxury tropical escape? Then you have to check out our presidential suite, also known as the Jimmy Buffett Suite. This place screams laid-back luxury. It has a full-size kitchen, a formal dining room for up to 10 of your best friends, a gigantor balcony. It even has a pool table, a beautiful living room, exercise room, luxe bathroom with a dual vanity, and of course, let's go check out where the magic happens. Here is the master bedroom. Lovely decor, beautiful large bedroom where 2 adults can sleep. Or if you have a larger group, you can combine it with a 2-queen room to sleep up to 6. Come on, this place is amazing.